So here it is, what it looks like when the buckwheat, not the buckwheat, what am I saying? The quinoa is soaking in water, and it's 12 hours. Okay, now let me turn my GoPro here, and I will show you. I have those, this is a, whoopsies, a strainer that is a large strainer, and I pour the quinoa in it, and I use, my water is filtered, so I use from my faucet with a sprayer like this, which you can get at the hardware store. It's inexpensive if you don't have it on your faucet at home. And then you go around and simply rinse well. And with cold water, of course. And put the strainer on an angle like this. As you can see, more water will come out that way. I will teach you how to spread it on a tray, and I'll change the angle of my camera here for a second. So I use a scooper, and you'll do about about two like this, so you end up with around ½ an inch of quinoa on your tray. Then I use a ruler and a scraper, and that helps with spreading the quinoa like this. Oops. And it will go in the dehydrator. See, it goes in the dehydrator like this. Push it in, and it will dehydrate for 24 hours. Bon appétit!